Welcome to the show that is so bad it might be good. We saw Bitcoin kiss $86,000 before slipping under. Will it stay under? Will it bounce back? Everybody is trying to figure that out. We are locking in a 12.7% weekly gain and pushing dominance up into the 60% range. Where is Ethereum dominance? Solana and TRX have stayed green while most alts have cooled off. OM nuked 90%. That's what you get for those utility tokens. We have Homeland Security. They are circling Anchorage Digital, ETF meme cards, Telegram games. This isn't a market, it's a pressure cooker. Blink and you're behind. On the docket today, we saw Solana level up. JPEGs are moving again. The United States-China freeze trade just lit a fuse under Bitcoin. SEC is dragging its feet again. Big money just made an even bigger move on Bitcoin. XRP, Ethereum, and DOGE are tightening the noose. Kraken just cracked open Wall Street's front door. Vitalik says AI is coming for your privacy. And I found an analyst who found a rug who thinks it is about to absolutely slingshot. Shiba Inu's chart is sending warning signals. I think it is time to sell. And that is a special note to my friend Wayne. Corporate treasuries just got even more orange-pilled, and Picoin isn't back from the dead. A new game just dropped on Telegram. So much is happening today, I can't even keep up with it. Chaos to clarity, noise to narrative. It is Tuesday, April 15th. Welcome to the Daily Quest, because numbers never lie, but they sure the fuck do confuse. Let's pull up some heat maps and see what's going on. The crypto heat map looks absolutely spectacular to me at the moment. There is no gripes to mention, so I am not going to get into it because the market shifts so quickly. But we see Bitcoin in this sweet green spot. The tokens that are down at the moment are only down momentarily. Now let's get on to some news that caught my eye. Canada just approved the world's first spot Solana ETF with staking. It all launches on April 16th. Purpose, Evolve, CI Global, and 31Q are all backing it with TD-powered yield. Solana could break 137 if all this shit keeps up. We'd love it. NFT volume has jumped about 15%. We're looking at about $12.27 million despite fewer buyers. What does that mean? It means smart wallets are collecting blue chip assets. What are you doing? Abstract. It is delivering a whole shitload of new content. One of the things that caught my eye is the coin Bitcoin. There are miners that you can buy. These NFTs absolutely do nothing. Some of them are priced between $3,000 and $5,000. What does it do? It lets you mine Bitcoin. Do they actually mine anything? Absolutely not. Is it a Ponzi scheme? Absolutely. Are people still doing it? Absolutely. Are people making money? Absolutely. The United States import bookings fell 64% and exports to China plunged 36% amid these tariffs. Who is this a good deal for? The SEC is lazy as fuck, and they decided to delay rulings on the ETF staking and Bitcoin ETH redemptions because they're lazy. And if you've been living under a rock, I just want you to know that public companies nearly hold 700,000 Bitcoin, or 3.28% of the entire supply that will ever exist. Let that sink in. XRP, Ethereum, and DOGE are all at key levels. What I have pictured here are the adventure pants that will get you through absolutely everything. There is a link in the Substack. You need adventure pants. And Kraken launched stock and ETF trading in 10 United States, adding 11,000 assets to its platform. Our friend Vitalik dropped a warning on AI surveillance, pushing hard for zero knowledge and privacy tools before it is too late. The interesting thing is, while privacy may be good against AI, it is the last thing any government wants. If you are looking at technical patterns, you might look at the dip on Solana below $100. People are calling that the biggest bear trap ever. Shiba Inu might bounce in the short term, but the chart is telling me wreck is coming. An absolute wreck is coming. We had Shiba Inu just announce some stuff with Dubai. It did not seem to budge the token at all. Are these movements on the back end enough to revive this token? I hope that it comes back to life for my friend Wayne. Stacks update. 95,431 Bitcoin were just added in quarter one alone by public firms. We have Mingxing, Rumble, and HQ Asia Holdings all joined the roster of people that are stockpiling Bitcoin. It is beginning. I said I wasn't going to talk about Picoin again, but we are talking about Picoin again. It surged 45% up because they decided to integrate Chainlink data streams, enabling real-time price feeds. Is this enough to revive this token? Before the FUD kicked in, people were saying this was going to hit $10 without a problem and then go beyond. Where do you guys think it lands? Leave word in the comments. I will not read them. If you are a nerd and if you're listening to this, you are definitely a nerd. We have Game. They dropped moon cards on Telegram. This is a meme coin fueled TCG where card power changes daily based on token performance. This is a new twist to the collection of cards. No money needed, just timing. 150 cards live. Boss fights coming. 230,000 pre-sale users are already in. Have you tuned in? I will be going live tomorrow at 3 p.m. Central Standard Time on X, Abstract, and YouTube. If you know, you know. If you don't, you will. If you're still chasing clarity in today's crypto chaos, get into the Discord at Critters Quest. We will take care of you. Find the Daily Quest wherever you get your podcast. Tune into the live show. And if you like to read, you can hit the link in my bio for the Substack that comes out absolutely every single morning. I hope you guys have an absolutely magical day.
Down the rabbit hole
Go get it.
we go, creatures gotta feel the flow. Riding rhythms here to stay, on the quest but led astray. Power up, hearts can dance, on Solana take a chance. Get on your quest, quest, the critters quest, quest, strategize. Make the best on Solana's quest.